For centuries, the pyramids of Egypt have stood as a testament to ancient engineering prowess. Constructed around 4,500 years ago, these monumental structures were built as tombs for pharaohs, designed to ensure their journey to the afterlife. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest of them all, was originally 146 meters tall and composed of over 2 million stone blocks. Despite extensive research, many mysteries remain. One of the greatest puzzles is how these massive stones, some weighing up to 80 tons, were transported and assembled with such precision. Theories range from the use of ramps to more advanced yet undiscovered technologies. Recent discoveries have added to the intrigue. Hidden chambers and voids detected using advanced scanning techniques suggest there is still much to learn about these ancient wonders. These findings fuel ongoing debates and research as scientists and historians strive to uncover the secrets locked within the pyramid's stone walls. The pyramids continue to captivate our imagination, standing as a symbol of human ingenuity